A few weeks ago, someone messaged me and said, Jaita, I keep hearing about Reiki and something in me feels drawn to it, but I don't know if it's actually for me. And I told her what I am going to tell you today. You don't need to know about Reiki to know that you need it. Your body already knows. It's been sending you signals, quiet ones, persistent ones, for a while now, and you may have dismissed them as stress or age or just the pace of modern life. But those signals have a pattern, and once you see that pattern, you cannot unsee it. So, today I am going to walk you through 5 signs that your body is specifically asking for Reiki healing, and stay till the end. Welcome back to Jaita's healing space, where we slow down, turn inward, and remember that we are so much more than what we can see. Hi, I'm Jaita, Reiki Master and a certified life coach. In the next few minutes, you are going to learn the 5 specific signs that your energy body is out of balance and calling for Reiki. The first sign is fatigue. You slept, you rested on the weekend, you are not working any harder than usual, but yet you are bone tired. A kind of tired that sleep doesn't seem to touch. Here is what's happening from a Reiki perspective. Your physical body and your energy body are two different things. And it is entirely possible for your energy body, what we call the aura or the pranic field, to be depleted even when your physical body has rested. When the flow of the life force energy, what we call ki or the prana, is blocked or diminished, the physical body begins to reflect it. You feel heavy, unmotivated, like everything requires more effort than it should. Here, Reiki works directly on this energy field. It clears the congestion, restores the flow, and allows the body to access a deeper level of restoration that sleep alone cannot give. Ask yourself, have I been tired in a way I just can't explain? If yes, that is your energy body speaking. And Reiki is one of the most gentle, effective way to respond. The second sign is emotional heaviness. Maybe you are still carrying a grief from a loss, even one that happened years ago. Maybe there is anger or guilt or a sadness that sits quietly in the background of everything. You might not even be able to name it. You just feel it, heavy, weighted, like something is stuck. In Reiki, we understand that unprocessed emotions do not simply disappear. They are stored in the body, in the chakras, in the energy field. Grief often lodges in the heart chakra. Fear settles in the lower chakras. Unspoken words can create congestion in the throat chakra. When emotions are stored this way for long periods of time, they begin to create stagnation. And stagnation over time can manifest as physical symptoms or a persistent emotional flatness that just won't lift. Reiki creates the conditions for these stored emotions to begin to move, not by forcing anything, but by bringing in loving, intelligent the energy that supports the body in releasing what it's been holding for days. A gentle question: is there something you have been carrying for so long you have almost forgotten that it was there? The third sign is recurring physical symptoms, particularly ones that keep coming back to the same place. A headache that returns every few weeks, tension that always land in your shoulders or your jaw, digestive issues that flare when you are stressed, lower back pain your doctors have checked and found nothing structural. And these are not random. From an energy healing perspective, specific areas of the body correspond to specific chakras and energy pathways. So, when there is a persistent blockage in an energy center, the physical body begins to mirror it. The solar plexus chakra, our center of personal power, when blocked, can manifest as digestive discomfort, stomach tension, or a constant sense of unease. The throat chakra, our center of expression, when blocked, can create physical tightness in the neck, the jaw, or the throat itself. Reiki doesn't replace medical care. Please always see your doctor, but it works alongside it, addressing the energetic root beneath the physical symptom. And notice, is there a part of your body that keeps asking for your attention again and again? The fourth sign is one of the most quietly painful ones and one of the most common. It is the feeling of being disconnected from your own sense of self, from the people you love, even when you are with them, from the sense of purpose or meaning or something greater than yourself. It can feel like going through life behind glass, present but not really here. In Reiki, we see this as a disconnection between the physical self and the higher self. When our chakras, particularly the crown and the heart, are not flowing freely, we lose access to that sense of groundedness and belonging that is our natural state. This disconnection is often the body's response to sustained stress, trauma, or simply years of living in the mind and away from the body. And it responds beautifully to Reiki because Reiki works not just on the physical and emotional layers, but on the spiritual layer as well. Many people who receive Reiki for the first time describe it as coming home to themselves. That is not a small thing. And the reflection is, when did you last feel truly, peacefully in the present moment? And now, the fifth sign, the one I promised you, the one most people overlook. You feel drawn to Reiki and you don't fully know why. Maybe you have heard it from a friend, maybe you keep seeing it come up, maybe you have been curious for months but haven't quietly taken the step. Maybe you are watching this video right now and something in you feels a quite yes. So, in my experience as a Reiki master, this pull is never accidental. Our higher self, our intuition, our body's deepest intelligence, they guide us towards what we need, often before our conscious mind catches up. The fact that you are here watching this is itself a sign. In Reiki philosophy, we say that the energy goes where it is needed, and sometimes the first place it goes is towards drawing you to the practice in the first place. If you feel that pull, I want you to trust it. Don't dismiss it just as curiosity. Don't wait until things get worse. The body rarely shouts before it whispers. And this is the whisper. Sit with this. That pull you feel. How long have you been gently ignoring it? So, here is what I want you to carry with you today. Your body is not being dramatic, it is not overreacting, it is communicating with precision and with love. That it needs something your everyday life is not currently giving it. If you recognized yourself in even 2 or 3 of these signs, I want you to take that seriously, and not with panic, with compassion. Reiki is gentle. It works with your body, not against it. And it often begins to shift things in ways that surprise even the most skeptical people. Your body has been asking. The only question is, are you ready to listen? If this video spoke to something in you, please share it with a friend, a family member, anyone you feel might need to hear this today. And if you are ready to explore Reiki healing personally, I offer one-on-one Reiki session and life coaching. All the details are in the description below. I'd love to work with you. And if you missed my last video where I explained exactly what Reiki is and how it works, I will link it here, and it is a perfect companion to today's video. If this resonates, like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.